Are you planning your next summer vacation and considering Tokyo, Japan? If so, you're in for a treat. In today's video, we're going to explore the top 5 summer vacation spots in the vibrant and bustling city of Tokyo. We'll dive into the unique experiences, stunning sights, and cultural richness each location has to offer. From tranquil parks filled with blooming cherry blossoms to cutting-edge districts brimming with style and innovation, Tokyo is an eclectic mix of tradition and modernity, offering a little something for everyone. We'll take you on a virtual tour through these must-visit locations, giving you a taste of what to expect on your trip. Whether you're a nature enthusiast, a foodie, a lover of art and culture, or a shopping aficionado, these spots will surely make your Tokyo summer vacation an unforgettable one. So, buckle up as we embark on this exciting journey to uncover the best summer vacation spots in Tokyo. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have Ueno Park. A gem in Tokyo's urban jungle, Ueno Park offers an oasis of tranquility and a splash of culture. Imagine strolling through paths lined with lush greenery under a canopy of cherry blossom trees. The park is famous for its breathtaking cherry blossom display that paints the town pink every spring. But don't fret if you're visiting in summer. The park's verdant beauty is a sight to behold year-round, and the shade from the trees provides a welcome respite from the summer heat. Ueno Park isn't just about natural beauty. It's a cultural hub, housing several world-class museums. The Tokyo National Museum, for instance, is a treasure trove of Japanese art and history. From ancient pottery to samurai armor, it's a journey through time that you wouldn't want to miss. The park also hosts Ueno Zoo, the oldest zoo in Japan, where you can meet pandas, elephants, and other exotic animals. Art enthusiasts, history buffs, animal lovers, and nature seekers alike will find something to love in Ueno Park. But that's not all. Step out of the park, and you'll find yourself in the midst of bustling street markets. Ameya Market, or Ameyoko, is a stone's throw away. Here, the air is filled with the sizzle of street food, the chatter of locals, and the clinking of shopping bags. From fresh seafood to stylish clothing, you can find it all. After a day of museum hopping and shopping, why not indulge in some local cuisine? From sizzling yakitori skewers to sweet and fluffy taiyaki, Tokyo's street food scene is second to none. So go ahead, treat yourself to a culinary adventure. Ueno Park, with its cultural richness and scenic beauty, certainly deserves a spot on your Tokyo summer itinerary. The fusion of culture, nature, and urban life in Ueno Park is a microcosm of Tokyo itself, offering a taste of everything that makes the city so vibrant and exciting. So, pack your bags, lace up your walking shoes, and get ready to explore Ueno Park. Moving on to number 4, we find ourselves in the futuristic district of Odaiba. A man-made island in Tokyo Bay, Odaiba is a playground of innovation and excitement, making it a perfect summer escape. Our journey begins with the iconic Rainbow Bridge. This suspension bridge isn't just a means of transportation, it's a spectacle, especially when it's lit up at night, painting a picturesque scene against the Tokyo skyline. Next, we venture to Pallet Town. No, it's not a location in a Pokemon game, but it's just as exciting. Here you'll find Venus Fort, a shopping mall designed to resemble a medieval European village. But that's not all. Pallet Town also houses MegaWeb, a car-themed park by Toyota where you can test drive cars and learn about automotive technology. Just a short walk away, we arrive at Odaiba Seaside Park. A sandy beach in the heart of the city, it offers a unique view of Tokyo's waterfront and Rainbow Bridge. It's the perfect place to relax, have a picnic, or even try your hand at some beach volleyball. For art enthusiasts, Odaiba holds a special treat, TeamLab Borderless. This digital art museum is a world of its own, filled with interactive light and art installations that will leave you mesmerized. It's a sensory experience unlike any other, where art merges with technology to create a dreamlike world. And let's not forget about the food. Odaiba is brimming with dining spots that cater to every palate. Whether you're craving sushi, ramen, or international cuisine, you'll find it here. And for dessert, how about a crepe from one of the many street vendors, or a matcha-flavored treat from a local tea house? Shopping malls with unique themes, entertainment complexes, parks, and a vibrant food scene. Odaiba has it all. It's more than just a district. It's a glimpse into what the future of cities might look like. Odaiba, a glimpse into the future while enjoying the summer breeze, is a must-visit. At number 3, we have the tranquil Shinjuku-gyoen National Garden. This serene sanctuary, nestled within the vibrant city of Tokyo, effortlessly blends 3 distinct gardening styles: French formal, English landscape, and Japanese traditional. Each of these styles brings its own charm to the garden, creating a harmonious blend of aesthetics. The French formal garden is a visual treat, with symmetrical patterns and neatly trimmed hedges. It's a little piece of Versailles in the heart of Tokyo. Then there's the English landscape garden, a charming space with sprawling lawns and large ponds, reminiscent of the picturesque countryside of England. But the true gem of Shinjuku-gyoen is the Japanese traditional garden. It's like a scene straight out of a classic Japanese painting. Tranquil ponds dotted with koi fish, meticulously pruned trees, and an enchanting array of seasonal flowers. As you wander through this idyllic landscape, the city's hustle and bustle seem to melt away. And what better way to immerse yourself in Japanese culture than with a traditional tea ceremony? Nestled within the garden are tea houses where visitors can experience this time-honored tradition. Savor a cup of matcha tea as you soak in the beauty of the garden, a truly meditative experience. Shinjuku-gyoen, a peaceful oasis in the heart of Tokyo, is a perfect spot to unwind. This enchanting garden is not just a place to visit, but a place to lose yourself in the beauty of nature and the tranquility of traditional Japanese culture. Taking the second spot on our list is the historic district of Asakusa and the scenic Sumida River. Asakusa is a district in Tokyo that breathes history and tradition. Its main attraction, the Sensoji Temple, is a sight to behold. Established in the 7th century, it's Tokyo's oldest temple, a place where you can immerse yourself in the city's rich past. The entrance to the temple is marked by the Kaminarimon or Thunder Gate, featuring a massive paper lantern dramatically painted in vivid red and black tones to suggest thunderclouds and lightning. Once you pass through the gate, you find yourself on the bustling Nakami's shopping street. Here you can explore an array of shops offering traditional Japanese souvenirs, local snacks, and a variety of artisanal goods. It's a shopper's paradise that marries the old and the new, the traditional and the contemporary. Moving on from Asakusa's vibrant streets, we find the serene Sumida River. A river cruise here, especially in the summer, is an unforgettable experience. The river's cool waters reflect the city's skyline, creating a blend of urban and natural beauty. As you glide along the river, you can enjoy the stunning views of Tokyo's landmarks and a panorama that changes with every bend of the river. Asakusa and Sumida River, where history meets scenic beauty, is a combination that's hard to resist. This place offers a unique perspective of Tokyo, making it a must-visit destination on your summer vacation. And finally, claiming the #1 spot on our list are the vibrant neighborhoods of Shibuya and Harajuku. These lively districts are the very embodiment of Tokyo's ceaseless energy and youthful spirit. Shibuya and Harajuku are a whirlwind of color, sound, and movement, where every turn offers something new to discover. Shibuya, known for its iconic Shibuya crossing, is like the Times Square of Tokyo. Picture this, a sea of people moving in all directions, yet in perfect harmony. It's a spectacle that truly encapsulates the city's bustling energy. But there's more to Shibuya than just its famous crossing. It's a place where shopping, dining, and entertainment converge, creating a vibrant hub that never sleeps. On the other hand, Harajuku is a fashionista's paradise. Takashita Street, the heart of Harajuku, is a fashion-forward hotspot filled with unique boutiques, trendy shops, and vibrant cafes. From Lolita to punk, and from vintage to avant-garde, Harajuku is the place to explore the eclectic side of Tokyo's fashion scene. But amidst all the hustle and bustle, there's a place of tranquility, the Meiji Shrine. Nestled in a forested area, this Shinto shrine offers a serene escape from the city's frenetic pace. The shrine, dedicated to Emperor Meiji and Empress Shokin, is a testament to Tokyo's deep-rooted history and culture. In Shibuya and Harajuku, you'll find a vast array of dining options. Whether you're craving traditional Japanese cuisine or you want to try out a funky-themed cafe, these neighborhoods have it all. And let's not forget about the entertainment. With its karaoke bars, clubs, and live music venues, Shibuya is the epicenter of Tokyo's nightlife. Shibuya and Harajuku are more than just districts in Tokyo. They are microcosms of the city's culture, blending the traditional with the modern, the serene with the chaotic, and the ordinary with the extraordinary. Shibuya and Harajuku, where Tokyo's heart truly beats, are the ultimate summer vacation spots in the city. Your Tokyo summer adventure wouldn't be complete without a visit to these buzzing neighborhoods.